I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the cattle market today. The cattle was a little bit lower after that on-feed report on Friday. It was kind of bearish. They were really hoping for it to be a little bit better. There's been some active bids in the cash cattle trade, but we're expecting that there's going to be a lot more coming later in the week, and so the market kind of slipped just a little bit. The lackluster trade sometimes gives way to weakness, and we saw that as well with the feeders. The feeders fell somewhat. Those placements were much higher than expected, and really towards the higher end of the channel that we've been trading in. Now, that being said, the feeders and even the live cattle had a little bit of room to fall since we had that big run up a week ago, maybe 5 or 6 sessions ago. And so now that we're about halfway back, the market gave away some. As we get a little bit more trade coming in, I expect that to kind of firm it up and maybe stabilize the market somewhat, and we can get back on the move. All isn't lost, though. The market is still stabilized. There just isn't much going on today. With the hog market, it was steady to firm, and I think that this higher hog values are really trying to hold the market up. It tried to rally a little bit. I know there isn't much going on this Monday. A lot of the traders in those hog markets were really expecting that the White House was going to tell us that the U.S.-China deals were going to start to smooth out, and then we find out that China has left the table and left the U.S. with Canada there. But there are still some hope on the horizon that this is going to turn around. There has been some global demand for some of the pork products in the U.S., and that's helped to stabilize the market. We're still waiting for some news that these tariff wars are going to come to an end. But right now the market has stabilized, and that's really good news for the hog markets. We're looking for anything positive since we've had such a tough summer. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.